Welcome to qnawire.
I'm assuming you need to find both the perimeter and area of this irregular figure. Let's start with the perimeter. Every box is 2, so we've got 2, 4, 6. This would be 7 units from A to J. You can count from J to H. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes, so that would be a length of 18. Anything horizontal, you can count. That would be, because every half of boxes will once be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from F to G, 2, 4, 6 from F to E, 1, 2, 3, 4 from D to E, 2, 4, 6 from C to D, 2, 4, 6, 8 from A to B, and we've got everything except the diagonals, which you can use either the distance formula or I like to use the Pythagorean theorem. From C to B, you're going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, because it's going from -7 to +3. So you're going over 10 and 2, 4, 6. So over 10 and 6. Or it does say use distance formula, so I'll hold true to that. So distance formula for the points C, which is at -7, 4, and B, which is at 3, 0, then the distance would be the difference of your x coordinates, 3 and -7 squared, plus the difference of your y coordinates, 0 and 4 squared. That would be 10 squared. 3 minus -7 is 10 squared is 100. -4 squared is 16. So it'd be the square root of 116, which is about 10.8. And then the other diagonal from G to H would need to be calculated. G is at 3, -8, and H is at 10, -12. So the distance would be the difference of your x coordinates, 10 and 3, plus the difference of your y coordinates, -12 and -8 squared. 10 minus 3 is 7, squared is 49. -12 minus -8 is -4, squared is 16. 49 plus 16 is 65. The square root of 65 is 8.1. So the perimeter would be adding these all together. I'll start here. 7 plus 18, that's 25, plus 8.1, that's 33.1, plus 6, it's 39.1, plus 6, it's 45.1, plus 4, 49.1 plus 6 is 55.1, plus 10.8 is 65.9, plus 8, I believe it's 73.9 for the perimeter. The area, you can break this apart into shapes that you can handle, like rectangles and triangles. So here's one proposed break apart. And so we would have a triangle, a 6 by, let's see, from D to B. From D to B would be 10 units. And So that would be 1/2 times 6 times 10, or 30. Here we have a 6 by 6 square that has an area of 36. Here we have a 7 by, let's see, from A to G, for instance, goes from 6 to -8 would be 14. So this would be a 7 by 14 rectangle with an area of 98. And then we have a triangle here that would be 7 by 4. So 1/2 times 4 times 7 is 14. And then we can add those together for the area. 30 plus 98 plus 36 plus 14 is 178 square yards for the area.